ẹ̀yin lẹ gọ̀ jù lórí cyberspace yìí. Ẹ̀yin mi rẹ tó gọ̀ tó ìjọ tó bá tún rẹ tó gọ̀ jù yín lọ. Don't use Seyi Tinubu's video to go and be collecting money from some people saying, you know, you see, Seyi has called me, we had a meeting, so if you want me to work for you, you give me big money, allegedly. Don't. I hope the politician will learn from this.
Ẹ̀yin ènìyàn, apá kejì níbi tí Lizzy Anjorin ti ń bú arábìnrin tí a ń pè ní Ìyábọ̀ Òjó, apá kejì rẹ̀ ni ẹ̀ ń wò lọ yìí. Arábìnrin yìí ó tún sọ̀rọ̀, ó tún tú àṣírí Ìyábọ̀ Òjó, ó tún tú nínú fídíò yìí, ó tẹ̀síwájú nínú bó ṣe ń tú àṣírí rẹ̀. Ó sọ nínú ọ̀rọ̀ rẹ̀ wípé ó ní kó ṣúwọ́ nínú ìwà ìbàjẹ́ bí ó ṣe ń fi orúkọ arákùnrin tí a ń pè ní Seyi Tinubu tí ó jẹ́ ọmọ ààrẹ orílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà, bí ó ṣe ń fi orúkọ rẹ̀ gbowó tó fi ń tọrọ owó ní àwọn ibi kankan. Arábìnrin sọ̀rọ̀, ẹ jẹ́ ká wo nǹkan tí ó sọ.
Know that and know peace. The time that I used to post some pictures, you will know that I'm not a small person in this society. But despite my contact, you will never see me sitting down and be destroying people for donation or for money. My contacts respect me because I'm a respectable personality in this society. The moment you become a nuisance like Iyabo Ojo, no politician, nobody will pick your phone. Nobody. My husband said it's true. To that Baba Suri case. You are so brilliant. I'm telling you, I'm doing this show to educate you as a youth. Do not join Iyabo Ojo to go and bully anybody. Don't use your social media to destroy anybody. Don't. No politician. No matter how close you are to me. 2-3 weeks ago, when Adabasioni said he has Iyalago's nudity, I was saying it. I said, if you know me, if you come online to come and say this kind of thing, I will be the one to hand you over to police. No politician is supporting evil. Where was Iyabo Ojo during a toll gate case? At least this lover said, I will show you some evidence here. Let me show you this. Kato continue. Sorry. Impact. I rò pé àwọn politician I rò pé wọ́n ẹ mọ̀ pé politician máa ń forúkọ èèyàn sí list ni. Ẹ wá wele. Ẹ wò. Ẹ wò. Ẹ má bínú jọ̀ọ́. Ẹ wò. Ẹ wò. Good news everyone. So yesterday I reached out to Iyabo Ojo and Kesolo on how we could get a befitting burial for Mohbad because his remain is still at the Mount Kinikon. This lover confirmed that she reached out to Iyabo Ojo. Let me show you on Instagram. Everybody back when Iyabo Ojo ṣe. Because then back be. As a collection today, everybody know ma play along. See. Good news. So yesterday I reached out to Iyabo Ojo and Kesolo. Now we could get befitting burial. I come and do this one, but we're talking about this lover and Iyabo. So this lover used to reach out to Iyabo Ojo very well. Abi, and Iyabo Ojo was looking at this lover burning down Lagos, burning down all police stations. Ẹ̀yin lẹ gọ̀ jù lórí cyberspace yìí. Ẹ̀yin mi rẹ tó gọ̀ tó ìjọ tó bá tún rẹ tó gọ̀ jù yín lọ. Come and see. See this one. This lover was mentioning her names simultaneously. See, this lover. Latest, Iyabo Ojo. Eléyìí kò kàn mí, eléyìí wá fún mi. This lady has never come to me or come for me, so it's none of my business. But this Iyabo Ojo, alongside Mohbad family, was at the Ebony Fort today. You see? Abi, representative this lover. Alagbenuso this lover. Let me show you on Instagram. I think everybody forgets what you did. When this lover was ordering you to go and burn down this police station, where were you? She see, this is this lover. Iyabo Ojo. This one did not offend me. This one has never spoken to me or offended me. So nothing concerns me with this name. I go for people that comes for me. You see, Iyabo Ojo alongside Mohbad family was at the Ebony Fort to get a better whatever. This is how this lover has been ordering Iyabo Ojo around. And you've been going from one place to another. And when this lover ordered you to go and be burning down police stations, Iyabo Ojo, where were you? Iyabo Ojo, where were you? Another thing is this, Iyabo Ojo, come and see. It's not about payment. I'm warning the youth. I'm doing this show to warn all Nigerian youth to desist from following Iyabo Ojo. She's nobody. I'm warning all the youth to desist from destructions, lying against people because of monetization or donations. Oh yeah, come and see, where was Iyabo Ojo here? Mungbo, there's about fun waje. Mungbo. Abe any gbogbo material MB. Iyabo abe any gbogbo ase nko gbogbo material kiri re. Ẹgbẹ́jọ ẹkẹyàn kan sáré fún mi. Iyabo, when this lover listed Seyi among the Agege, where were you? What did you do to defend Seyi? All this while that this lover has been destroying this country, what have you done so far, Iyabo Ojo? What have you done? You get it? Don't use Seyi Tinubu's video to go and be collecting money from some people saying, you know, you see, Seyi has called me, we had a meeting, so if you want me to work for you, you give me big money, allegedly. Don't. I hope the politician will learn from this. Don't allow Iyabo Ojo to be playing you guys. She got nothing. She knows nobody. You go.
I don't know reason why. She eti job ẹgbẹ́ ògbó yẹn wọ́n ní ó wà ọ̀nkọ́mà pé kò tí ì lajú. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe parọ́ nígbà Ajímọ̀bí náà nìyẹn ẹni Ajímọ̀bí wà ọ̀nkọ́mà pé kò tí ì kù tán tí mo fi gbé jáde nígbà yẹn. Èmi ò mọ white Nigeria government. I don't even understand you people. Also, when they call me a bloody liar, I'm emulating the country I was born. Well, maybe mo wá tó máa ṣe yí tó kó bá kú. Emma, kì í fẹ́ declare to the whole world, especially our politicians. So I don't know reason why. Ṣé ẹ ti jọ ẹgbẹ́ ògbóni ẹ ti jẹ ẹjọ́ ṣé ẹ fẹ́ ṣe operation kẹyìn ẹjọ́ ẹ ní, because I can't just.
The person that is talking, I will show you. This person that is talking, she and Iyabo Ojo are doing bebe on Facebook.